For us to solve this equation, which means we want the variable, in this case the x, to be all by itself on one side of the equal sign. And typically we do that on the left-hand side. And in this case we will put that on the left-hand side. So the first thing we want to do is we have an x trapped over on the right-hand side and trapped in parentheses. So to get it untrapped from those parentheses, we're going to distribute the 5 through the parentheses. And what we'll get when we do that, we still have the 2x on the left, and that equals 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 9 is 45. And then we see that on the right-hand side we have 45 plus 3 that we can go ahead and add together. And that'll give us 2x equals 10x plus 48. So now let's look. We have the x terms on both sides of the equal sign, and we want x all by itself only on one side. So I'm going to move that 10x from the right-hand side over to the left-hand side by subtracting it from both sides. You'll see when I do that, I get 2x minus 10x on the left side is negative 8x. And that equals 10x minus 10x is 0. So those are gone. It's gone from the right-hand side now. All I have left on the right-hand side is my 48. Now on the left, I have x, but it's not all by itself. It's multiplied by negative 8. And I want it all by itself. So I'm going to do the inverse of that multiplication. I'm going to divide by negative 8. And I have to do that to both sides. What do I get then? Negative 8 over negative 8 gives me a 1, so I'm just left with an x on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, 48 divided by negative 8, positive divided by negative gives me negative 6. So x equals negative